Hello everyone, my name is Alberto and welcome back to my channel. So in the last video I did this sort of patchwork thingy with all my old t-shirts and I wanted to really decide what to do with it. In the beginning I thought I would do a t-shirt, but there's not enough, weirdly. And I had this old roll of denim lying around. So I thought they looked good together and the denim sort of picks up on some of the shades. So I thought to do something with them. I remembered about the Japanese art of boro stitching, which basically means to take a bunch of different fabrics together and work them into a new usable fabric. So I took out my iPad and I have my figurine that I made, and here's what I tried. I began sort of gravitating towards either a denim shirt or a sort of bombery jacket. Ended up going with the shirt, and this is the process. So this is the result, and I'm quite happy with it. I hope you liked it, and if you did, please leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next video when we'll actually put it together. Bye!